Welcome back to Quick Cooks. Today we're making the creamiest, fluffiest, eggless tiramisu. And the best part, it does not have to be expensive to make. Tiramisu is my wife's go-to dessert whenever she wants to impress someone, including me. And it works every single time. You only need a few simple things: cream cheese, coffee, rusk. You can either find this in the international aisle of your supermarket or any Indian grocery store. Unsweetened cocoa powder, whipping cream, and a cup of sugar. That's it. No eggs, no fancy drama. Start by removing the cream cheese in a bowl. Add the entire bucket of whipping cream. Whisk until the cream cheese and whipping cream layer becomes one smooth and creamy texture. You can see it took a little time here, but keep whisking to avoid clumps. Once that's done, add a cup of sugar, whisk again. When everything is smooth, put it aside to room temperature, and just like that, your creamy layer is done. Now, in a bowl, add your brewed or instant coffee. If you have hazelnut coffee, even better because it adds a beautiful nutty flavor. Start by dipping your rusk into the coffee, let it soak for about 5 seconds, then flip it over. If your coffee is too hot, work fast because rusk loves to break dramatically like ours did. Keep going until you have covered your tray with a full layer of coffee soaked rusk. Now, spread your cream mixture on top. Since it's been sitting out for a while, it spreads easily. When your first cream layer is done, dust cocoa powder on top. We used a chai filter for that perfect and even dusting. Dust generously because the cocoa gives you that slightly bitter flavor that balances the sweet cream perfectly. Repeat the same steps for the second layer: rusk, cream, and cocoa powder. Once everything is layered, put your tiramisu in the fridge overnight. This step is very important because the flavors need time to come together and turn into a dessert magic. The next day, your tiramisu is ready. If you enjoyed this recipe, hit like, subscribe, and tell us in the comments whether you are team store-bought or team homemade tiramisu. See you in the next one.